Please stand for Century Choir members, including graduating seniors, performance of the Star Spangled Banner. Class of 2014, here we are. This is the very day we have been looking forward to since the very first day of freshman year, and here we are now. As we all embark in new chapters of our lives and go our separate ways, we reminisce over the memories we have created. There have been certainly stressful moments trying to finish all of our graduation requirements, but these are certainly outweighed by the spectacular events which left us memories to last a lifetime. Even as we spread out across the country and become strong, independent individuals, we will always be unified as Century's graduating class of 2014. We have all accomplished so much to come this far, and I have faith that all of us will continue on in our lives to achieve